How to add credit card to Google Wallet. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add a credit card to your Google Wallet account. So I want you to know that on your Google Wallet, you can always add a credit card when you want to. Okay. And next thing to do is to open your Google Wallet application, just like I have done here. And once it's opened, by the lower right corner of the screen, you see add to wallet, right? You just click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be directed to the add to wallet page. On this page, you'll see a list of things that can be done, such as transit pass, or a list of things that can be added to your wallet, such as transit pass, loyalty, gift card, and then payment card. So our focus is payment card. Just click on payment card. Now, once you click on it, it will load. And then once it's done loading, you'll be taken to the page where you'll be asked to enter in your card details. Now, all you need to do is to pick up your credit card. Pick it up, or if you know the credit card number offhand, you can just enter in the card number into this latest space available. I want you to note that you have to ensure that the card owner name, that is the name and other info, is exactly as it is on the card. So do not make a mistake. If you do not input the right name or the right info, the card will not be added because it will not be verified. Okay, you just pick up the credit card, enter in the number, and then you save it. And that is how you can add your credit card to your Google Wallet account. So go ahead and add that card today. Thanks for watching this tutorial.